Being one of the leaders in ready-made garments manufacturing globally, with over 5 decades of industry experience, Crystal International Group continuously strives to enhance its capacity and bring efficiency and innovation into its business.
We established Amigo here because we firmly believe that Bangladesh has a very good workforce. It's now been here for 50 years. We're the largest exporters in Asia for garments, and we are among the top manufacturers of garments in the world. Our revenue is around $2 billion last year. We're established in 4 cities and countries, including China, Cambodia, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. Crystal, as well as Amigo, is a people-oriented company. We believe in caring for people. In fact, since we started operation, we have hired 1,000 employees around the area.
We are the contractor for Amigo in the garment factory in Kaligong. Amigo is one of the best clients we have met, and they care about the workers' life, they care about the workers' career, and they also care about the environment.
In that regard, we invest a lot of funds on different sustainability projects, including planting trees, automations, waste reduction, wastewater treatment, and also water recycle. So this applies to all our plants around the world. Last year, Amigo has invested $120 million in this place. We're going to change the life of these people to make it better. Our plan for the next 5 years is to hire up to 11,000 to 12,000 people so that we build up our workforce and start exporting a lot of garments of famous brands out of Bangladesh to around the world. We also focus on co-creation of garments. We design and also we make garments together with our customers. Amigo believes in good CSR. We believe that sustainability is very important for us and for our future success. We also believe in caring culture. We believe that we have to help the local community to grow and sustain. And this is our mission, to become successful and become a win-win solution for everybody.
Amigo Bangladesh Ltd as the winner of Leader in Inbound Investment in the first Business Excellence Awards.